So with the rear deck done, we're going to move on to putting in the rear speakers. We already took the opportunity to run the wires for the amp in the back. So here we go, rear speakers. We're going to use a Metro adapter for it. I believe is the right one. We'll just make it fit, and then we're going to basically put it together that way. The Metro adapter is going to be for the rear is 8148, and we're going to put in some Hertz speakers, Cento CK 160 CPX 165. Stay tuned. So the doors are back together, rear ones are. Now it's time to get on the front of the car. We actually have to fabricate something for that, and then we got to put speakers up here. So we'll pull this apart, and then we'll figure out the fabrication on that side. More work, but we got to get it done. So we went in the wood room and whipped out some plastic spacers here for the speakers. Took a ABS and routed it out to accommodate the factory speaker. Put the tape on it so you kind of see there, so it seals the driver up. And then we also took out the factory speaker there, and then we made some custom tweeter pods for some Hertz Cento tweeters here. So you're looking at it, it's probably upside down. Got some custom tweeter pods to fit in the factory location. You know, which goes in here. So, show you a video of the thing put back together.